Hey, what's up, guys? It's Rolando, your credit coach. Happy Tuesday. I'm using the microphone, guys. If you guys can hear me, please do let me know. If you can't hear me, let me know. I really want to enhance the voice on here when I go live. Hey, Stephanie, what's up, boo-boo? You're the first one on. You're always on. You're my biggest fan. I want you to know that. Guys, so tune in. Guys, for those of you who are just tuning in, please hit that share button. All the replayers. Today I want to answer a question that was asked to me by my friend Michael, who is I tagged him here on Facebook. So guys, if you guys have any questions, please do shoot them my way. It's the end of the month. It was a great month. You still have a few days left, but I want to say thank you to all of you who are consistently sending us business, continuing to trust us. Thank you so much. We do appreciate your continued referral support. Thank you for making us your number one choice when it comes to credit repair. We do appreciate your business. We do appreciate helping those people that do need that life improvement, because improving your credit improves every other aspect of your life, not only just your credit. That's the way that we see it here at Credit Repair Solutions. You're making me shy. Abraham, what's up, brother? Thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you who just tuned in, hit that like button, hit that share button. I want to be able to help as many people as possible. I want to be able to reach as many people as possible, because I have a question that's important that I'm going to answer right now. It was sent to me in private message, but I figured I'd answer it live. Talk, and we said, okay, so here we are live on Facebook. And I have a special announcement as well. I announced it yesterday on Facebook that I'm working on writing the Credit Coach Playbook. What it is going to be it's going to be a short read, but I'm going to be talking about the strategies, a playbook that would help you obtain a 720 plus FICO score. Nathan, what's up, brother? I'm doing well, man. How are you? Hope all is well, brother. Thank you so much. Abraham, you're welcome. You're providing very important service. Thank you. No, brother, thank you so much for tuning in. It's because of you and everyone else tuning in that allows me to do this. I love what I do. I love sharing information, and I love to be able to share information that's going to help you improve your credit. So thank you so much. For those of you tuning in, hit that share button, hit that like button. Hey, my brother from the same brother, the other credit expert, my brother Fernando. What's up, brother? Thank you for tuning in. So guys, I am writing the Credit Coach Playbook. I hope to have it done by the end of the year. It's going to be a short read, but it's going to be the playbook step by step that's going to help you obtain a 720 plus FICO score. All right, guys. So that's going to be coming out, and I'm going to be sharing the entire process with all of you guys. Every chapter, what I'm writing. So you guys are going to read it before it's even released. So you guys are going to get the first dibs on that. Okay. Nathan says, what are you doing now? Well, I'm right now tired about credit, brother. Fernando Lane, brother, sure. Yeah, definitely. I'll take this one to Cancun when we leave. All right, brother. Thank you so much. So guys, the question that I was asked was asked by Michael Reyes. He asked this: I have a credit card that I opened about a year ago. The card has a $7 per month monthly fee. That's equivalent to $94 a year. That's a lot of money. If you think about $7 a month, it's not a lot, right? But you're paying $94 just to do business with this company. You shouldn't do that. No one should ever have a credit card where they're paying a monthly fee, whether it's charged yearly or whether it's charged monthly. No, you shouldn't have that. Okay. Now that my score has improved, I am wondering if I should close that card or not. Will my score be affected if I close it to get rid of the monthly fee? My score has gone up significantly over the past 12 months, and I don't have need for having any card that has a monthly fee. What should I do? Okay, so he's saying he has a credit card that he opened about a year ago. Maybe his score wasn't too good. He has a monthly fee on that credit card. I just see you tuning in, Michael. This is for you, brother. Thank you. For those of you tuning in, I'm answering a question live. A good friend of mine asked me a question. His score has improved. Maybe his score wasn't that great. I'm not too sure before he applied for this credit card. Usually, individuals that don't have such a great credit score, they got to pay to play, meaning they'll extend you credit, but because you have that credit, that gives them the right to charge you a monthly fee. $7 is not a lot of money. It's not going to break the bank, but in the course of 12 months, that's $94. Why should anyone be paying a monthly fee on top of paying any type of interest on a credit card. Now, his question is, should I close the account? Is it going to affect my credit score? I know he's heard me saying closing accounts is maybe sometimes not the best option. But Michael, my suggestion to you is this. I would highly recommend you contact that credit card company. Let them know, you know what? I've been a client for 12 months. I paid on time. I have a great standing with you, a great reputation with you guys. I don't want to close the account because I want to continue doing business with you guys. I struck their ego. I love the relationship that we have. Would you kindly remove that monthly fee? 8 out of 10 times, they will remove that fee, given that you've been a long-standing client. 12 months is not really a lot, but hey, 12 months is better than 3 months. You really can't ask for much. You really can't ask for much when you're early in the relationship. You got to build it, you know. So, Michael, I would highly recommend you ask them to please remove that monthly fee. I'm pretty confident they're going to say yes. They're going to remove it because they see you've been a great client, you've been paying on time, and they would much rather continue earning your business, you know, seeing how much you spend, and if you pay them any interest, it's probably a lot more than the $94 a year. So that's number one. So let's just say they say, you know what, we're not going to close the account. Guys, for those of you who are just tuning in, for those of you who are still watching from the beginning, please hit that like button, hit that share button. Let me know you enjoy, you know, these credit tips. It allows me, it gives me the want to make sure I'm live all the time and do more videos. So hit that share button, hit that like button. I want to be able to reach as many people as possible. Okay, so back to Mike. Mike, let's just say they don't remove it. Say, you know what, we can't do that. It's policy, so on and so forth, blah, blah, blah. Should you close the account? That depends. That depends. It depends on what the credit limit is on that card. If you have a high credit limit, you had it for a year. It's fairly new. If you're going to close any account, I would much rather you close the ones that are fairly new. But what is the credit limit on that account? If you're still watching and you want to put it on the notes, put it so that way I can better address the answer. So depends on the credit limit. And it also depends on the rest of your credit cards. Keep in mind, your credit improved because you have credit cards. Maybe you had to pay to play. You had credit cards, you made your payments on time, you have a great credit score now. Yes, you can get approved for credit cards without a monthly fee. And I see why you don't want to close it. Okay, Michael says only $500. Okay, great, Michael, perfect. It's not that much. It's not that high, but I want to know, maybe you don't want to put it here, maybe that's private information, but how you're going to close it so it doesn't affect your credit score is you want to know what's your overall credit limit, available credit limit. Let's just say you have that card for $500. Let's just say you have another one for $1,000 and you have one for $5,000. Whatever your credit limit is, add them up. Whether you have 1, 3, 4, 5 cards, add up your credit limits, okay? Whatever number they have, whatever balance you have on the cards, divide the limit and the balance, okay? It needs to be under 35%. The key number is 10%. The lower, the better, okay? So by you closing that account, you're losing that available credit limit. It's no longer available. So your ratio based on your balances and what you have available, let's just say it's here, right? And you remove 500, that means you're getting closer to the balance. That's going to affect your credit score. But if you have a card that's $5,000 with a zero balance or very low balance, whether it's one card or whether it's with 5 cards, cumulative, doesn't really matter. If you closing that account doesn't shift much, then you're fine, because the higher the ratio, the lower the scores. The lower the ratio, the higher the credit scores. A lot of people think if I close that account, I lose the history. The history on the accounts never goes away. You can have an account for 10 years. Now, accounts that are positive stay on the credit report for 10 years. Anything negative gets reported for 7 years. So for the past, if you have an account, it'll be there for 10 years, so long as it's positive. I have accounts on my credit report that are older than 10, 11 years, but because they were in good standing, they're still there. Great, good for me, right? So, Michael, you only want to close that account if it's not going to affect your overall ratio. This might be a little bit complicated to understand, but think of it as this is the top. This is your credit limits. This is the glass is full, right? Think of this being the top of the glass and the water is a fourth, all right? If you reduce by closing that account, you're actually making your cup smaller. Is the top of the cup closer to the water? If it is, your score is going to drop. If it's not going to do slight damage, then your scores are fine. But Michael, first and foremost, call the companies, ask them to kindly remove that fee. 9 out of 10 times they're going to do it. Please, if you do it, which I know you are, please let me know what the results are so that I can talk about it in a future video. I feel that this is information that the people need to know, because I can assure you there's a lot of people out there that have credit cards for the longest, and they don't mind paying $7. Yeah, it's only $7, but $7 could buy you something else. Could buy you 2 cups of coffee. $7 goes a long way, and there's no reason why, if you're doing business with someone, you should be paying them extra money, right? Even though just $7 still, that's money that could be in your pocket. Mike, so I hope I was able to answer the question. Guys, thank you so much. You guys mean the world to me. You tuning in, you giving me your attention. Believe it, guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me that you would give me your attention. And it only motivates me to do more videos, to come live and give you guys information and help you improve your credit scores. So guys, I'm also excited about the Credit Coach Playbook. I'm excited to share every step of the way with you guys. Please, guys, the reason why I told you guys is because I need that kick in the butt sometimes. Sometimes we get caught up with work, with life, that we forget to do. It's not easy writing. It's not easy doing the things that we should do. Sometimes we need that kick in the butt. If you see me not posting it, please do let me know here around the house, the book coming along. Maybe that'll motivate me to write some more, because it's going to be a short read, but it's going to guide you guys step by step on how you guys can achieve a 720 credit score. Michael, no, thank you, brother. I appreciate your friendship as well. Guys, thank you so much. We got to get back to work. And guys, thank you for watching. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.